Right, well, I thought I'd try something a wee bit different and get rid of the wee graphics tablet. So, what we've got here is question 6 from paper 1, and it is about getting these in order from greatest to least. Now, the problem is they're not in the same format, so you've got some that are in decimal, some that are in fractions, some that are percentages. So we really need to make sure they're all in the same format. So, considering we've got two decimals there, I'm just going to start converting the middle two into decimals. So, this one's easy enough. If we divide this by 100 to get it in decimal, these two digits go to the right by two decimal places. So that is an equivalent of 0.3838. Okay. Now, what we've got is this fraction. Now, to convert this fraction, we're going to go a wee trip down memory lane, and I'll show you a wee shortcut for the long division. Okay, so we're going to work out how many 8s can go into 3, okay? Can't get 8 to go into 3, so what we have to start looking at is the decimal component of this answer. So we'll put a wee decimal point, okay? So if we can't get 8 to go into 3, what we'll do, we'll take the 3 back, and that's become 30. Okay, so how many 8s go into 30? Well, we could squeeze in 3 8s. Okay, so 3 8s is 24. So there's going to be a remainder 6. So there's going to be a remainder 6 there. Okay, we then think of, well, how many 8s go into 60? 7 8s go into 60. Okay. So 7 8, so that's 56. So we're going to have 4 left over. So we'll take that back. And then how many 8s go into 40? Well, that's 5. Okay, so using this wee in a shortcut method, you can get this 3 over 8 into decimal. Okay, and there's a couple of wee videos that explain it a wee bit better. Right. So we've now got everything that we're needing, so it's to go from the largest, or the greatest, to the smallest. So 0.39, that's the largest. We then have 0.388. Okay, we then got 0.3838, and last but not least is the fraction that we converted. Okay, so that came from the 38.38%, and that came from the 3 over 8. Okay, so the main thing is convert it into decimals. Okay, that's probably the easier one to do, converting a percentage into a decimal. Just divide it by 100, so you're just shifting these numbers to the right, to the right two decimal places. This is a slightly trickier, converting it into from fractions into decimals. Into decimals, but there's plenty of wee YouTube videos showing you how to do that. And that's your answer.